How can we upload your Blender project over to Previs? Well, first off, you need to download a Blender add-on, either from the main website, or once you're logged in, you'll have an integrations tab available. Here you can also download the small file as well. Now, once downloaded, you should see it arrive in your downloads folder. It's a .zip, small in file size. Don't worry about extracting this, just simply remember where it's located. Next, let's jump into Blender and just see I have a basic scene laid out with 3 screens. From the dashboard, select File and User Preferences, and here we'll have the option to install from File. Navigate over to your Downloads folder and select the .zip, and over to the right you'll have an Install from File button. Now look carefully and you'll see a Previs integration available. Select the checkbox and drop down the arrow to the left. You'll then find an empty API token field. This is required for the integration to happen. By selecting tokens below, your web browser will open and you should then find available an API tab where you can create a new token directly. Copy and paste the token, go ahead and use Command C and navigate back into Blender and hit Command V. Now, really importantly, remember to save user settings. That way the integration remains intact once you reopen Blender in future. Now within Blender, look carefully, you'll then find over to the right we have a Previs drop-down. It's under the Scene tab. Select Refresh and Blender should then capture the data contained within your Previs account, including available teams, available projects, and available scenes. If you wish to create new projects or new scenes, go ahead and select the clipboard over to the right. This is a great way to narrate different chapters within a production. For example, we could have a scene 2, or for example a descriptor, for example 3 panels. Select OK and pushes should then be made over to Previs. However, if you have multiple objects that you wish to push in one go, simply select Published Scene. That's integration, so it's quick and easy, and in the next video we'll look at how to integrate Cinema 4D and to configure your scene directly in Previs.